welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. In case you're new to this channel, welcome so much. If you're not new, then welcome again. Please subscribe below if you're not subscribed to my channel. Today I want to talk about lipsticks. I want to talk about how you can make your lipstick last for long, so that you can avoid filling in your lipstick like all the time. So when I talk about lipsticks, I'm talking about other lipsticks that are not matte. Of course, you know that matte lipsticks actually last for long. They last for 24 hours, so you don't need these tips for matte lipstick. So when I'll give you these tips, you're only going to use them if you use other lipsticks that are not matte. And tip number one, the first thing you need to do is to prime your lips. If you want your lipstick to last for long, you have to prime your lips. You know, people prime everything. They prime their faces, they prime their eyes, but they just forget to prime their lips, of which it is so important. You should prime your lips using a concealer. That one is very important because it will make your lipstick pop. Even if you have a pink lipstick, the pink will pop completely. Maybe you can try and compare and see the difference, but priming your lips is one thing that can make your lipstick last for long. The second thing you need to do is to exfoliate your lips. What am I saying when I say exfoliate your lips? I'm saying that you need a toothbrush. That's one thing you need to exfoliate, and you need something hard like sugar, let's say salt, but I would prefer sugar more because it is sweet. So you can exfoliate using sugar and salt. You can also exfoliate using Vaseline. So what you do is you take your toothbrush and put the sugar, then you scrub your lips using the sugar or the Vaseline or the salt, and then your lips will feel softer. That is exfoliating. Once you do that before applying your lipstick, then your lipstick will definitely last for long, because if you don't exfoliate your lips, definitely your lips will crack, and that cracking makes your lipstick look so bad. So when you exfoliate, your lipstick will look flawless. So the third thing you need to do the third thing you need to do so that your lipstick can last for long is that you need to apply one layer of lipstick on your lips. Then you take a thin tissue. No, a tissue has two layers. You take the one layer of it, then you put it on your lips. Then you take your powder and tap on the tissue, then you remove the tissue, then your lipstick will last for long. That's one tip for sure that I use. Actually, it is the it is the tip that I use the most when I compare to all the other tips. So it really lasts for long if you do that. The fourth tip that can make your lipstick last for long is that you need to use a lip liner or a eyeliner. A lip liner or an eyeliner to line your lips. You know, most people do is that they only line the edges of their lips, but they don't actually use the lip liner or the eyeliner on their lips. So what you need to do is to apply the eyeliner on your lips, completely on your lips. Then after that, you can apply the lipstick on top of that. That will really make your lipstick last for long. And the last thing that you need to do so that your lipstick can last for long is that when you're doing your makeup, you know, most people start with priming their face, applying their foundations, their concealer. What you need to do before starting, after you have primed your face, you apply some lip balm on your lips, so that when you finish applying all your makeup, you can take off the lip balm and apply the lipstick. That will make your lipstick really last for long. You can save yourself trouble, because when you kiss someone, of course, you will leave your lipstick to them. When you drink something, you will leave your lipstick there. So that will really save you that trouble. So guys, I hope you've learned the 5 tips that you need to do so that your lipstick can last for long. And thanks guys for watching this channel. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Have an amazing time.